Huyu jamaa hapa ni mwizi. Watch this carefully.
As you can see guys, today on my balance I have 32,406,628 Kenyan shillings.
Red flag number 1. This guy is using Binance wallet. Why is he not using Binance exchange? An exchange only shows the verified tokens that are listed on that particular exchange. But a wallet will display any token that has been deployed on-chain. So they know that any fake token will be displayed on Binance wallet and not on Binance exchange. But because you as a newbie or you as an existing user, you have so much trust on Binance and you know Binance can never scam me, that's why they are using the Binance Web3 wallet and not another wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask.
It's true, and when you look at it, this guy has that 2 million Kenyan shillings on his account. But when you look carefully, this USDT on his account has a warning sign at the end. So Binance usually flags these coins that are derivatives or of original coins as potential scams. So now this right here is what we call Flash USDT. You can get even millions of Flash USDT for just as low as $100 or even $20, whichever amount you want. So this guy now has probably pumped Flash USDT into his Web3 Binance wallet because he knows that when he deposits these Flash USDT on his Binance account, they won't reflect because they are fake tokens. But on his Web3 wallet, they will show up. So this is where he's trying to play with your mind to show you that he's wealthy and he has money. So whatever he's doing is legit. So let's see what he's doing.
Up, and I want you to also make the same kind of money, guys. So how do you do that? First thing, you need to create an account on TrexBigUp, and then the second thing, you need to fund it. After funding it like that, guys, you can also come to trading bots and then you start trading.
So this guy is trying to push you to trade on his website. And red flag number 1 on this website, and I mean no disrespect to vibe coders, this is a vibe coded website and the guy doesn't even try to make it look authentic. So he's trying to tell you to withdraw your funds from Binance or from whichever exchange you use, deposit into his exchange, then trade on his exchange using his bot that has a win rate of 13% so that you can earn like him. So I want you to look into this closely. As we continue, you can also follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Mutua Crypto. I also share some insightful content about crypto and trading. First off, the last time the price of Bitcoin was below 60,000, that was in around April and the start of July. But somehow, the bot this guy is using starts trading BTC at $59,000. So does he have his own Bitcoin or an entire crypto system that he controls by himself, or what is it that we don't know? So hii hapa ni upuzi. Do not deposit your funds kwa hii site. Ukideposit, you'll either not withdraw or you'll either lose the entire amount and fund his lifestyle. So watu wanajaribu kusurvive this Nairobi, and do not be the guy that funds his survival. Stay sharp, and also when you come across other potential scammers, look for these small red flags so that you don't fall for this.